If you did not know, I am a huge Joel Osteen fan, and this year he came out with a dated planner. This is the first year I've ever seen this. I think this is amazing. I think it's gorgeous. You are going to be able to see all inside of it because we're going to do a flip through today. And also, I just wanted to mention too, if you are thinking about creating your own planner, make sure to sign up for my free course, Planner 101. I will leave a link to that below. I'm Lisa from Pretty Fabulous, and I help online businesses create pretty pages using Adobe InDesign. So if this sounds like you or something you might be interested in, make sure to hit the subscribe button below. I post new videos every week. This came like maybe 2.5 weeks after I ordered it. I don't know if you have to have like fingers of steel. Oh, there we go. there we go. Now it opened. Not exactly on the line, but close enough. All right. So it came shrink wrapped, which is very nice, and I always appreciate that because I'm worried whenever people package things like fingers have gotten on them, and so there's just so much oils on your hands. I know, I'm just a germaphobe, I guess, but maybe we all are after COVID. Okay, so this is the 2024 planner of hopes and dreams. So I know you can't see it or feel it, but it feels really smooth. It has a nice navy color, which looks very rich. And it has an elastic band. And of course, it looks like it has a pocket folder. It's an interesting design. All right, so let's flip through this. We have 2024 overview and holidays. And then we have holidays at the bottom. 2024, Peter, this is the day the Lord has made. Let's rejoice and be glad in it. You can have complete faith in the Almighty God. Don't worry, I won't read all of it. But it looks like it's a message from Joel Osteen with a quote here from the Hebrews 11:1. And then God has a comeback for every setback. So anyways, I just wanted to get this because I just thought it was really positive. And I honestly just wanted to see what they did. Oh, look. Get your fill of hope this month. Oh, so there's QR codes in here. And then we have the month at a glance. And we have goals for the week. And we have here, you can just, I guess, master the big goal planning. And then inspiration, reflection, and notes. Goals this week, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday. So it looks like it does a rinse and repeat for pretty much probably the rest of the book, right? I love that it starts on Sunday. You know how much of a Sunday starter I am. I do not like when things start on Monday. So I like when this week starts on a Sunday, which makes sense. I mean, this is a devotional for church, so it is a Sunday. All right, so now we have February. So it looks like each month you get a new picture. We get a new quote from Joel, and then we get I'm guessing this is a new QR code for each month. I could be wrong. Maybe it just goes to the same page. And then you get the month at a glance, and you get a section for notes, and then we rinse and repeat. So I'm going to go ahead and flip through to, it looks like just the months are different. Oh, look at that. So the colors are different. So we have January was kind of I'm just going to call that tan. February is the light blue. March we have a pink, and then and then there's another quote from Joel down here. April, and then it looks like we go right back to the beginning with tan, healing. So, and I bet the next month, yep, it's blue for May, and then we probably go to pink for June. There we go, and you get the June month at a glance. And then we go right back to tan for July. And then for August, we're going to have a blue. And then another quote. And then we're going to have September. And all these are, I think they're all doors or just kind of scenes. Just relaxing, tranquil scenes. We have October, which is tan again. November, which is blue. And December, which is pink. And yeah, I think that's it. So then once you get to the very end, So this isn't really like a productivity. I think it's more just, you know, devotional, place to put notes and journal. So this is the app, which I've actually tried. Sometimes it has errors in it, so I usually just go to each of these separately to the website or something. Here's where you can catch Joel Osteen's services, and just an about section, one page for notes, and that looks like that's about it. So with the elastic band, there you go.